Prophet, peace be upon him.
Hazrat Tahir, Hazrat Qasim, Hazrat Tayyib, Hazrat Qasim.
Right answer. Turbo. What is the weight of the human kidney?
120 grams to 140 grams.
Right answer. Shepherd. Who is the fastest animal?
Cheetah.
Right answer. Turbo. What is a computer?
A computer is an electronic device.
Right answer. Shepherd. Which gases are present in water?
Oxygen, hydrogen.
Right answer. Turbo. What is a printer? What is a printer?
It is an input device.
Wrong answer. Shepherd. What is a liquid?
A thing which flow is called liquid, for example, water.
Right answer. Turbo. What part of Earth is covered by water?
3/4.
बच्चे रेशो बतानी है. Right answer. Shepherd. Who was the third caliph?
Hazrat Usman.
Right answer. For how long did dinosaurs live on Earth?
150 to 1200 billion years.
Right answer. Shepherd. Which is the ninth highest peak of the world?
Nanga Parbat.
Right answer.
The piece of Highland.
Highland. Right answer. Turbos. What is Fatma Jinnah called?
Matre Millat.
Right answer. Shepherd. Which is the tallest tree in the world?
Redwood tree.
Right answer. Turbos. Name some input devices.
Headphone, speaker, CPU, monitor.
Wrong answer बच्चे. Input devices था. Wrong answer. कितने रखे हैं? Shepherd. Who invented the computer?
Charles Babbage.
Right answer. Turbo. What is the boiling point of water on Fahrenheit scale?
212.
200. Right answer. Shepherd. In which galaxy Earth is located?
The Milky Way of galaxy.
Right answer. Turbo. How much water is found in human body?
70%.
Right answer. Shepherd. Name the highway that connects Pakistan in China.
Shahr-e-Rasham.
Right answer. Turbos. Which is the highest peak of the world?
Everest.
Right answer. Mount Everest. Now for result. Group Shepherds win this round. Huge clapping for them. 12/12.